Step 3. Providing liquidity. Welcome to another CoinFLEX tutorial. In this video, we will go over Step 3 of the permissionless listing process, which is providing liquidity. In every market, there are market makers and takers. Makers provide liquidity by trading with takers, and help to ensure prices remain stable. For permissionless listing, we require token listers to create an automated market maker or AMM, similar to what is used in DeFi. This ensures that your token has liquidity when the market launches. Similar to listing a token on Uniswap, we require users to provide liquidity into a pool to create a tradable perp. A minimum of 50,000 USDC is required to set up an eligible AMM position for your token listing. Please ensure that your wallet has sufficient funds. AMM positions for the token lister have a 3-month holding period. This means the capital provided will be withdrawable after 3 months. Funding your AMM. You can fund your AMM by using your CoinFLEX USDC deposit address or by scanning the corresponding QR code. Please note that your USDC will appear as USD in your CoinFLEX balance. Once you have funded your AMM, click Submit, and your token listing will be processed automatically. Once your token is listed, you will be able to view the market in the CoinFLEX permissionless zone.